Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Previous video we discussed about operation between a string and a number. Today we were going to talk about converting these operations into a function. So let's go. There is a special keyword def which allows defining a function. We used to provide a name for the function. We call it str operation. So I typing the special keyword and then function name str underscore operation. Now I need to pass a parenthesis. I call it str. Actually we need a differential between early creator. So the parenthesis we pass to this function I'm calling strn. So strn. Then a full colon. Instead of three arrows pointing to right, here we can see three dots. It means that it doesn't execute anything. It is waiting us to complete typing the expression. When we create a function in a Python, it is important to be aware of integration rules. In Python, we can integrate to the language some code is nested or belong to a certain block of code. By using integration, either create a space or tab. In this case, I am going to type three spaces. After creating integration at this point, I can type expression that I want. So let's say print 3 times operator strn and close the parenthesis, which is the variable that passes to the function. Now hit enter. Now you can see here the three dots comes again. This dot expects more content to add this function. So now I'm finished. In order to tell Python, I need to hit enter one more time. Now you can see here I get prompt back. Let us use function name. So typing function name is str underscore operation. Now I am passing a string hello. Hello. Now I'm just leaving a space in order to avoid coming three hellos comes together. Closing the parenthesis. Now I get three hello. The other way is instead of printing, I'm creating an internal variable and copying the expression. You can look here, function name, and here leaving three space, creating an internal variable called a 3 times star operator strn with three space, then print variable a. In first line, the evaluation and the result is stored into a variable. In second line, the content of the variable are printed. And exit. Now I get the prompt back. Now we can see here the result by typing str underscore operation string hello space, close the parenthesis. You can see here the result. Now I like to make my function more elaborate. Instead of having fixed number of repetition for the string, I am making more flexible. Now I am making two parentheses. We can look one keyword and function name operation, creating the parenthesis. Here I am creating two parentheses. First one is string and second one is number. So strn, second one num, closing the parenthesis and full colon. The same string evaluation, but instead of 3 I can repeat so many times. Now here creating an internal variable after leaving three spaces, a equal to num times operator star, then strn, leaving it three spaces and printing the variable a, print a. Just exit. Now I'm printing str, sorry, underscore operation, then open string hello, hello space and string, closing the string, and next one two times. You can see here two times repeated hello. Now I can use it for three times. You can see here for four times. Sorry, yeah, you can see here so on. I can print many times the. So now we witness is that we can create the function that can enclose in this case some symbol functionality, but later we'll be getting much more complex function. And you can pass parameters to the function so that we can get the function a block of code that's to include with a function that operate on any arbitrary set of parameters provided. I recommend if you are familiar with Python, take a little bit time to have look a Python tutorial. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit like button. Thanks for watching.